Hello guys, my name is Jaiswal Nagesh. Today daily task video. Today's topic name is noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive or harmful level of the noise and environment that negatively affect of human health, animal life and natural sources. If typically arise from sources such as transportation, transportation in this that cars, planes, trains, etc. Industrial activities, construction work, loudspeaker and other human activities, they are they are possible to noise pollution creation. Causes of noise pollution: transportation, road traffics, railways and airplanes genetically significance of noise pollution. Second one is industrial activities, factories, heavy machineries and manufacturing process to noise pollution uh, confirmation. Third one is construction sites. In this that the drilling machines, demolition and heavy metals equipment used to construction site. Fourth one is urban areas. In this that loud music, public event and pop, pop, populated populated area to urban areas. Fifth one is a household services, uh, like mixer, washing machine, or loud TV sounds to possible to noise pollution. Effect of noise pollution: first upon humans, hearing loss or damage. Second one is increase stress level, sleep disturbance. Fourth one is reduce productivity and concentration. Fifth one is cardiovascular issue including hypertension, etc. Second one is causes to animal. In this, the description of the communication for animal relying on sounds. Second one is the stress and distortion in the wild wave. Third one is altered behavior and abandon of habitats to animal. Third one is the environment, disturbance of ecosystem and reduction of biodiversity. Control and prevention of the noise pollution. In this that policy and regulation to conduct enforcing noise control and laws zoning regulation areas. Second one is the sound proofing under the various double glazed windows and sound absorbing material to use. Third one is a technological improvement. In this that the developing quaternary machinery and vehicles to use to protect the noise pollution. Fourth one is a public awareness. In this that educating communication about impacts on noise pollution to use human beings. Fifth one is the green space, plastics and straps to act to sound and barriers of the sound pollution. Fourth, sound pollution, technology improvement. In this that the developing quaternary machines and vehicles to use the control the noise pollution. Noise pollution, uh, sources of noise pollution. In this that road traffic in this that cars, motorcycles and truck produced noise horning and tree noise horning and try reaction to the air traffic. In this that aircraft noise near airports to major effect to the task of and landing. Third one is the railway noise from trains horn, engines and real friction effect nearby resistance to the noise pollution. In this, that the noise pollution is the most dangerous to the human beings. Thank you.